Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex. I am full-time logo designer and icon maker. I often come up with logos by combining different associations. This way, I build my portfolio of logos that I later sell on the Logoground website. I usually create logos using Adobe Illustrator. I've been using it for over 10 years. But recently, I asked myself a question: can I make a logo on my iPhone? Is it really? I think let's find out together. Recently, I had an idea for a logo for an educational institution. I thought about combining two associations. The first association is the human brain, symbolizing knowledge and thinking. The second association is a tree, symbolizing wisdom and longevity. I usually start working on a logo with a MoodBoard. It's time to sketch out the future logo. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on design. To create a logo on the iPhone, you need to buy and unpack it. This is my new iPhone 15 blue color. For drawing the logo, I use the Curve app. It's a simple and user-friendly vector editor. Even if you don't have experience, you will quickly be able to understand this app. First, you need to set up a template for more convenient work. Now I'll create a modular grid. This will help maintain the right proportions. The main work on the logo is done. I can save this logo in SVG format for further editing and working with it. I decided to enhance the logo a bit and added dimension using gradient and shadows. In the end, I ended up with this unique logo. As you can see, making a logo on the iPhone is more than possible. If you don't have access to a laptop or Adobe Illustrator, you can use your smartphone for quick sketching of your ideas. I think this is an excellent result. For a more detailed look at this case, you can check it out on Behance through the link in the description box. It's a unique logo, and only one person can buy it for their brand or business, but only once. You can purchase it exclusively on my Gumroad page. By the way, if you need a logo or a set of icons, you can order them from me. I'm always open to new projects. You'll find the order form link in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you soon!